Hi everyone, I hope you did really well yesterday. Happy Wednesday. We're going to now be counting coins. So yesterday we were counting pounds on notes and that was really easy because we could just like do 10 and 10 and 5. Now we're getting a little bit harder here because we're going to be counting the coins. Who can remember, or can you remember, sorry, how many pennies equal a pound? Maybe pause or have a chat with whoever's near you. So it's 100 pennies equal £1. So once you hit 100, you've got to say a pound. Okay. When I'm counting coins, I always count the little ones first, the smaller ones first, so the pennies, and then move on to the pounds. Okay. So let's have a look at this. Sam and Ruby have these coins. How much does each child have? So let's have a look. So let me get my little pen up. And here we go. So, like I said, we're going to count our coins first, our small coins, our pennies. So we've got 20, add 10, add 5, add 5. Try and work that out for me. Okay, the way I would do it is 5 add 5. 5p add 5p is 10p. So then we're adding 20p add 10p add 10p. So the way I like to do it is 2 10s, add 1 10, add 1 10. So that's your 20, your 10, and your 10. Is 4 10s, which is 40. So we know all these coins here are 40p. Ooh, 40p. And then how many pound coins does he have? He just has the one. So when we write this, we actually write it like this. So we do the £1 and then a dot to show that this is going to be pennies, and then a 40. And because we've put the pound sign, we actually don't need to put a p sign, a penny sign. So he's got £1.40. Okay, now let's look at Ruby. Remember, we're counting the smaller coins first, not the pounds. So we've got 50p add 10p add 20p. Pause here and have a go at adding 50 add 20 add 10. Okay, so let's do it the way I like. 5 10s, which is your 50. 2 10s, which is your 20. And 1 10, which is your 10. How many 10s have I got? 8 10s, which is 80p. So let me get my, 80, 80p. And how many pounds? So we've counted all those. We've just got one £2 coin. So she's got £2 and 80p, which is £2 80. Okay. So remember the rules that I said. You add your pennies first, then your pounds. How many pennies equal a pound? 100. So we were almost there, weren't we, with 80p? But luckily we didn't go all the way. Okay, let me clear my drawings and I'll move my mouse. So here you go. Look, they're adding the coins there, and then they're adding the pound. And again, they've added the coins first and the pound. So Sam has 5 coins and Ruby had 4 coins. Who had more? Sam had £1.40 and Ruby had £2.80. Ruby actually had more. Even though she's got less coins, she still had more money than Sam. Okay. So it says Sam and Ruby tried to show 95p. Who's correct? So I would like to start by adding our 10s, remembering the way that I do it. So we've got 50 add 10, add 10, add 10, add 10. So that's your 50, your 5 10s. Add 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. I'm going to do it like that. So we've got 9 10s. 9 10s is 90. So we've got 90p. 90p add 5p is 95p. So Sam's definitely got 95p. Let's just check if Ruby does now. So he's got 6 coins and she's got 4, 5, 6, 7 coins. So let's check. Let's start with our 10. So we've got 20 add 20 add 20 add 20. So 20 add 20 add 20 add 20 is 8 10s, which is 80p. So I'm going to write it down to remind myself. 80p. And I'm going to cross out the other 20s because I know I've added them all. And then we're going to use our number bonds. So remember, 5 add 5 is 10p. So let's cross those out. So we've got our 8 tens, 8 tens, add one more 10 is 9 tens, which is 90p. 90p add 5p is 95p. So they're actually both right. They've both got 95p, even though they've got different amount of coins. So let me clear my drawings and move down. We got to write the amount of money that's shown. Okay, let me get my little pen out. So start with the tens. 50 add 20 add 10. 5 tens add 2 tens, add 1 10. That's 8 tens. Okay, that's 80p. 80p add 2p is 82. Add a 1p is 83p. Okay, now I've got our pounds here, but remember I prefer to add our pennies first. So 20 add 20 add 20. 2 tens add 2 tens add 2 tens. That's 60p. Add a 5p is 65p. So I know I'm going to write down a 65, but I know I'm going to have pounds, so I'm going to do a dot and a pound sign without writing my p. Okay, £1 add £1 add £1 is £3. Okay, here, show the amount of money. I would do a part whole again for 20 and 5. So I'm not very good at this, but I would draw my 20p, looks like a house, I apologize. And then a little, well, not that little, 5p. Okay, 74, draw out your rods and cubes to show 74. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So they're all my 10s. 71, 72, 73, 74. Because this will actually make it easier for when I'm working it out. So I've got loads of 10s there. So I'm actually going to start with a 50p. So let me cross out 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 50p gone. That's the best 50p I can make. I apologize. Ooh, okay. And I've got 24 left. So I can actually do a 20p. Okay, remembering the types of coins we have. We don't have a 3p coin. It drives me mad when people pretend we've got a 3p coin. So we've got 4 here. We can either use 2p coins or 1p coins. I'm going to use 2p coins. So I've crossed out 2, and I'm going to do a 2p. And then I'm going to cross out my last 2 and do another 2p. Okay, so using my rods and cues really helped. I could have done 20, so 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and I could have done a 10p, another 10p, and then a 5p, couldn't I? So maybe use your rods and cues as you do it. Okay, we're on worksheet 3, which is pages 23 and 24. Again, if you don't have the book, I will put them up for you. Good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.